talked about
The avocado
as well.
stuff's pretty cool. Like how it starts hard and then like is smooth. It's so weird. All right, time for Beauty Trippin, and it is early. But wait, before we jump into Beauty Trippin, we have a very big announcement for you guys.
We do, guys. In the month of March, we have a little show that's returning. I don't know if you remember. It's called Get Jacked!
Basically,
I'm so sorry we just did that. It's really
I'm not
embarrassing.
sorry. You're not sorry either. It's basically like the fitness version of this show.
True, but we also have done a lot of fitness things on this show that were really difficult.
So magical.
Roll the clip.
Pedaling, where are we going?
Leading with my vagina.
Oh my gosh, my butt feels so free.
Yes.
Okay.
I think it was mostly difficult for me, but
So many memories. Honestly, you guys, our first day of shooting the show ever was the twerk out, and that has a very special place in my heart and soul.
Oh, it feels better this way. It's easier because my butt's more free.
I don't know if it was such a special place in mine. But anyway, for these new episodes, just as a teaser, Joslyn did Cirque du Soleil.
Oh my gosh, I'm doing it! Yeah, I might be joining the circus. Also, Lily is definitely exploring more of her love of choreography with Justin Timberlake, Super Bowl halftime dancer.
Please don't make fun of me.
Oh, no, not today, and no, not today. Good.
This is so fun! No, I will never. You're a good dancer. You should own it.
But until then, we still have Beauty Trippin'. So we have the
what's
clue.
the clue? Oh, yeah, I
and
forgot.
We should
What's the clue?
probably keep going. The skinny on skincare.
All right.
Who invented that saying? Like, give me the skinny.
I'm always so curious, or like, oh, what a sore thumb. But it makes sense, because have you ever got a paper cut on your thumb? It's like taking candy from a baby.
I thought you were saying a sore thumb was like that. I was like, no, that's not the same thing. But
I'm
that's a
just-
weird saying too. That one actually makes sense.
It's mean to take candy from a baby.
No, it's easy.
That too. You guys, I just drank like 2 or 3 gallons of coffee, so I'm sure we're okay. And this is one of the earliest Beauty Trippins we've ever
I
done.
think so.
It's very
Wait,
early.
I guess we didn't even guess because it's so
what's
early.
the skinny on skincare?
I don't know. I assume something skin related.
Maybe it's something else. Maybe it's like a different part of skin, like your back skin.
I mean, I have acne too, so.
Oh, it's so cute in here.
Hi, ladies. Welcome
Joslyn.
to Kiehl's. I'm
Thank
Lauren.
you.
Hi, Lily. Nice to meet you.
Hi. So what we're doing today is a personalized consultation where we measure the water and oil levels of your skin, and then from there we can customize a routine for you.
So what are your water and oil levels?
So high from all the water I drink.
Is that important, drinking water?
It is important, but we'll see exactly where you're at, and we can use it as a jumping off point.
It's gonna be a good journey.
It's gonna be a big jump.
I can feel it. Let's go.
Let's get started. Okay, ladies, so you ready to get started?
Yes.
So this is Marissa, who's
Hello.
also be helping us with our consultation today.
Okay.
So at Kiehl's, we are committed to formulating products that help you achieve your healthiest skin. So all of our formulas will restore the natural skin barrier. What we'll do first is test where your skin is at now, and then we can see what we need to do to get you to your goal.
I'm so
Healthy
excited.
skin.
I'm so curious.
Okay. So what we're gonna do first is measure the oil of your skin with our skin barrier testing tabs. And these are gonna be placed on your forehead and your cheek. And then we're gonna just kind of match it to this little grid here to see where you're at.
I'm actually really excited.
I have no control over the results.
I guess I should take off my glasses.
Okay, so one tab on your forehead and one on your cheek. Oh. Okay,
So what does this tell you?
your skin is super dry.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you have to see this.
You were
It's
exactly
crazy.
right in your self-assessment. Yes, you are dry. And where you want to be ideally is right here in the middle.
normal
That's the normal. Yeah, that's what we would consider like the healthiest state for skin to be in.
Are you ready?
I was born ready.
So one on your forehead and one on your cheek, just for about 10 seconds.
Jocelyn's gonna win.
I don't know. I mean, what is winning? I'm gonna be like an oil slick. Together we're the
All
perfect
right, ready
team.
for the reveal?
Okay, literally.
Oh, your brow!
So you are more normal to oily.
Which is good because the second like you're too dry, you head to Wrinkleville, and I'm not ready to go
Exactly.
there. I'm trying to be 14, you know?
So we can definitely get you a little bit more into the normal range,
Okay.
but you do have a decent amount of oil production.
Okay, so next we're gonna test your hydration. So that is essentially measuring the water content of your skin. So first we measured oil, now we're
Okay.
gonna measure water.
All right.
The dehydration analyzer tool I'm gonna put on your cheek.
Okay.
And it's gonna give us a number. It's gonna give us a percentage.
Okay. So like is 100% good? Or like
100% is not super realistic.
like you're drowning. Like there's so much water you could die.
Exactly.
Does it go into negative percentages?
I've never seen that, but you never know. No, the way we read it is 30% and below is very dehydrated. 30 to 50% is somewhat dehydrated.
Oh, no. This
and
is gonna be bad.
over or like 50%, like that's like a healthy number.
Okay. It's gonna like start beeping. Like an alarm's gonna go off. And it's
you-
gonna be like, give her water now.
You've been a lot better about water. Like, when was the last time you drank water? Like 2 or 3 weeks ago?
I was really hungover the other day.
Okay.
So like that would seem like something I should do, but
But did you?
then I had Sprite.
Okay, great.
My hands are sweating and losing more moisture, but it's okay.
Okay, so you're at 11%.
Which basically dead.
You're at 11%.
Everyone in this room is laughing.
That's pretty severely dehydrated. You
Well,
have,
at least I have room for improvement.
you have so much room to improve.
Yes.
I'm so excited that you're here because we can definitely fix that.
Okay.
Oh my
For sure.
gosh.
Joslyn, what about you?
I don't know.
Are you ready for the comparison?
This is so fun.
So futuristic.
It really is.
So you're at 20.9%.
So I'm dehydrated too?
Yes.
That's
still
amazing.
dehydrated.
I don't feel so alone.
We're together in this journey.
Anyway, how do we fix it?
Okay, so, well, tell me about your current like routine. What do you
tell
do to
us
take
about
care of your
that.
skin right now?
Makeup wipes.
This isn't gonna take long. Next to nothing.
Okay, okay. So that could be why your skin is dry. What I would recommend is a routine. Cleansing and toning is important.
Okay.
A treatment serum also important, and then of course hydration.
It's a lot of steps.
It seems like a lot of steps, but it actually isn't in terms of how much time it takes.
Okay, like peeing would
And also, and that's way too long. And also,
And-
like, give your skin the rest of your life. So, I mean, I know it comes off and stuff, but like,
I don't know, have you seen Black Mirror?
no, I'm not allowed.
We at Kiehl's actually offer a personalized service called Apothecary preparations.
Sounds Renaissance. Sign me up.
Right? Exactly. Well, Kiehl's was actually founded 166 years ago as an old world apothecary in New York City in the East Village neighborhood. And we sort of are going back to those pharmacy roots to offer this personalized service where we actually are going to customize a serum for you guys.
Ooh, I'm excited. I love it.
Let's do it.
We actually are going to talk about 5 different concerns. If you're not quite sure how concerned about that concern you are, we have
Should
our
I be?
Apothecary Preparation Skin Atlas, which we can kind of use as a point of reference to give you that more like objective point of view.
It's like a skincare Bible.
Kind of, yeah.
It literally
It definitely has that
It's like a
look.
Bible.
So the first concern is lines and wrinkles.
Yes.
Yes, so you have to actually pick a score. So 1 being not so concerned, not so severe. 4 being
4.
Okay, so 4.
Yes.
Fair
What about
enough.
for you?
Oh, a 4 all the way. Oh
And
my
also,
gosh.
all these people watching, you don't have wrinkles. What are you talking about? You are not seeing us up close.
So second concern, skin tone. So we're talking about there is more of a hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone.
What does hyperpigmentation mean?
So sun damage, dark spots, any
Like
kind of
sunspots or something. But freckles are so cute.
Yeah, I like
Is there
my
like a way to
freckles.
balance between like, because you have so many cute freckles.
I then draw them back on after I put my foundation on because it covers them all up. So no, that's not a concern at all for me.
Okay, great. So we'll push you at a 1.
I'll take a 4.
Okay.
Because like I wear sunscreen every day, but then sometimes I'll get like sunspots, and I don't want them.
Okay, so next we're going to talk about texture.
I would say like a 3. I feel like I never was really concerned about the texture up until recently.
Okay.
And also I've been mixing some using some different foundations, and I
Concoctions.
feel like that has been affecting it.
Okay.
I don't know. How concerned should I be? 4. I just feel like a 4 for everything. I'm very concerned about everything. What's next?
Pores.
Ooh, I don't like them.
Not on board with pores.
Not on board. Can we get rid of them?
We can.
3.
Okay.
I think I'll say a 3 too.
Lastly, visible redness.
A 1 for me. I would like to add more color to my face, honestly. Do you have anything for that?
3? Okay. Your top 2 concerns are lines and wrinkles and texture.
So we've also got your top 2
Okay.
as wrinkles and texture.
So now that we have figured out what your top 2 concerns are, we're gonna give you the components to mix your own serum.
We get to do it
So
ourselves.
You get
fun.
to totally play chemist right now, it's really fun. And we also are going to print out a personalized label for your serum.
So cute!
So exclusive.
So the components of your apothecary preparation are the base and then the 2 complexes that target your concerns. The base is primarily squalane, which is a really refined olive fruit oil. That on its own, even before you add the complexes, is super beneficial to your skin. Helps with balance.
So that's like the stuff everyone needs.
Yes, it like restores the skin barrier like we were talking about. It helps with hydration. And then the 2 complexes that you chose are the wrinkle reducing complex and the texture refining complex.
Okay, so I just like dump it in there, or
You're gonna
down
empty the
and
whole
turn?
thing in there.
Okay, so squeeze it all.
And then just,
Yep.
So
Okay.
like, are other people mixing this themselves or they're buying it pre-made?
No, they're mixing it
mix
at
it at
home.
home.
So like it comes in like this and then you just get these and you have to do it.
oh wow, that's wild.
So I'm gonna hand you your label that you can actually put right on your bottle.
This is so official. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is so cute.
Oh, and it even gives you like a little guide of where to put it.
And your name is on there and everything.
Okay, well now that we have our supplies, I think we'll be back in 28 days to
Definitely.
redeem ourselves.
100%. We have work to do, Lils.
There's a
we
lot
gotta
of work to be
go.
done.
Thank you. Bye. Wow, look at all the stuff we got.
This is like more skincare stuff that I've ever had in my possession at once in my entire life.
And truly, I mean, we've done a lot of like facials and that sort of thing, but that was kind of shocking results.
It
to
was
me.
just the most like eye-opening, and they weren't like, "Oh, what do you think you need?" They're like, "No, this test
Actually-
proves that you're super dehydrated." Not that I didn't already know, but
I did not know I was that dehydrated.
I didn't either,
I'm
which makes me
actually
wonder
so
about everyone
surprised.
else that's always giving me shit about it.
Because I feel like I drink a lot of water.
Maybe it's that your body is hydrated, but your skin isn't.
that really sucks.
I don't know. Why do you have an old-timey key? Oh, it's
For my old
it's a keychain. I thought it was just a single key.
Also, if you guys like us, just follow us on the social medias.
That would be great. At Joslyn Davis, at Lily_Marston. P.S. Also, get ready for us to get our fitness on. I'm not ready, but you guys will enjoy it.
It's gonna be so fun just to like see you explore your love of dance some more, because you know, I feel like it's like a love-hate relationship. You love it, you hate it, but you really love it.
Love watching it, hate doing it. That's the extent of the love-hate relationship. Anyway, the episode's over. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and goodbye!
Bye, guys!
Lily gets glasses for the first time in that box on the left, or click right to watch us try out Korean beauty products.